Abdurrahman Baba, the father of the Pashto poetry, was born in Bahadur Kale near Peshawar in 1632, while he died in 1715. His father's name was Abdul Sattar Khan, and he came from Oman tribe. Later on, Abdurrahman Baba started living in Hazarwani, and he lived there and died there. His grave is still there, visited by many people. Abdurrahman Baba lived during the Mughal era. He saw the rule of Aurangzeb and Shah Alam. Abdurrahman Baba was a very reclusive or very secluded person. He did not involve himself in politics, so he stayed away from politics. About his education, actually we don't know about his personal life, but it is said that he studied under the Mullah Yusuf Yusufzai. He traveled to Kohat and to central India to learn Arabic and Persian languages. About his marriage, we actually don't know, but it seems that he never married. Now we talk about his poetry. Among Pashtun, he is as famous as Shakespeare in English literature. He says about himself, Khushala aur Daulata mein dwada ghulaman di. Khushala aur Daulata mein dwada ghulaman di. Zarahman pa paht jaba alamgiriyam. Yani Khushal Khan and Daulat Khan, both are my slaves, and I Rahman am the king of Pashto poetry. About beauty he says, Haista mah tor kaudaishi pa perai ke. Haista mah tor kaudaishi pa perai ke, samka matvi kog largaishi pa perai ke. Yani in old age, a very beautiful person turns black like a black pot. An old person, he has a tall and high body, but in old age, he has a crooked or bent body. About opportunity or time, he says, Dubarade ratlal nishta pa dunya. Dubarade ratlal nishta pa dunya. Nandevar de ka daroh kade karotia. There is no way of return to the world once you leave. Now it is time or opportunity for you to do good or do bad. In other words, it is time for you to tell lies or speak truth. Okay, about his luck, he says, Ka agal pasiladam pakar nasho, kala bahta mi yari gufta yar nasho. Yani, I tried hard but gained nothing, and my luck also did not befriend me. About submission, when he fell in love, he says, Che me mina khudai pata bande paida kda, haga wraz tar ka ma khpala raza kda. The day I fell in love with you, that day I submitted my will to you. About a lover, and a person who falls in love with somebody, he says, Kade hal ko nazarta admaide, para shikta mashuke da kuch ispaide. In the eyes of people, he is a man, but actually the poor lover is the street dog of the house of Layla. About power and authority, he says, Da chimas pa mayorage yar da chade. Bia bataht ka pakum goli var da chade. Mahunadi sok be waja azar kadi, da chima azaravi azar da chade. He says, Who is he that comes drunk with wine, and whose its turn that is to be deprived of crown? I have wronged no one without reason, but why I am being punished? Here I quote Shakespeare, how beautifully Shakespeare says, I am sinned more than sinning. Yani zahal ko damra wazawrawala दमरा गलती मुन्नवा कड़ी च सुमरा हाल को जवरवलो यानी आई एम सेंड मोर, मेरे साथ बहुत ज्यादती हुई है देन सिनिंग, मेरी गलती से। यानी मैंने जो गलती की है इससे मुझसे ज़्यादा लोगों ने मुझे तकलीफ़ दी है. ओके, अबाउट वाइन ही सेज मा दे दहर गम वहले दे पलता द प्याले द सुरहैल बरकता. I have kicked out the sorrows of the world with a cup of wine, with a cup of wine. About autumn यानी हज़ान he says वहद एश व मुतरब तेर शो हज़ान रागे जन कंदन द बुलबलान पजान रागे. The time of joy, the time of dancing and singing has passed. And now the autumn has arrived in the garden and the nightingale are seeing their deaths. About human nature he says Hagadam children malalchi yusaat war bandikalchi. The moment, okay, the person, the time feels sad, one moment becomes 1 year for him. About beauty he says Tachirang da mai workralo labano or the poor grupakor da mai harano. When you have colored red your lips with wine, you have set the tavern on fire. Actually, Abdurrahman Baba Diwan, all the verses are very valuable and very sweet. So just we presented few verses. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.